Building Highway 1 along California's rugged coast was a remarkable feat of 20th century engineering. Now, 21st century engineers are trying to figure out how to repair a section wiped out last month by a landslide. John Blackstone's there.
The dramatic stretch of California coast known as Big Sur is particularly scenic from the air. And right now, almost the only way to get there is by air.
Looking down here now, we can really see where the highway just hugs the edge.
The single road into Big Sur, California's coast-hugging Highway 1, is blocked to the north by a collapsed bridge and to the south by an enormous landslide. What were you thinking when you came out and saw this for the first time?
Oh my God, plain and simple.
Doug Cook is an engineer with the state highway agency Caltrans.
When you're standing here trying to figure out how you connect this part of the road to that part of the road.
That's the easy part. We have to stabilize the mountainside before we can address the road issue.
A USGS animation shows a gash in the hillside a third of a mile across and more than 1,000 feet high. Highway 1 supports hundreds of tourist businesses like the restaurant Nepenthe with spectacular views. But it's now almost empty, dropping from 1,000 customers a day to just a couple of dozen. Kirk Gaffel is general manager.
Have you ever had the thought, let's turn off the lights, lock the door, go home for the summer?
No, it's that everything we're doing is fighting to stay open. That is our #1 mission.
Tourists can still use parts of Highway 1 both north and south of Big Sur, but Anthony, some of the most striking scenery along this coast will remain out of reach, at least for the next year.
John Blackstone, thanks.